It's Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm on Chicago Avenue in Evanston, looking at Dollop Coffee and Hoosier Mama Pie. Heading around for a look at the Firehouse Grill. Looking north along Chicago Avenue to the main Metro stop and CTA stop for the Purple Line. Looking also at a great strip of bars, restaurants, and one-of-a-kind shops. Brothers K Coffee House is around the corner. The Lucky Platter, ton of other restaurants. Just a great spot. And I am headed one half block east of here for a walk through one of the apartments at the Presidential. I'm at apartment 810, a sunny one-bedroom, looking south toward a hazy view of the city skyline, turning into a spacious, open-plan living dining kitchen, plank flooring extending throughout the apartment, through the wall heating and air conditioning. There's a wide wall of windows flooding light into this space. You have a nook that would be ideal for your dining table or a home office desk. And then there's an efficient L-shaped kitchen with good cabinet and counter space, stainless steel appliance package that includes a built-in microwave and dishwasher, 4-burner gas range, granite counters. You have a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. There's the range hood. Plenty of space to lay out a lot of furniture here. Looking at the front entry door, coat closet off to the right as you enter. Just beyond that, you have a very attractive bath. It's a wall-mounted medicine cabinet and a deep soaking tub. Bedroom has space to accommodate any size furniture and dressers, etc. And you have a wide wall of closets. The Presidential has a street-level outdoor terrace and a landscaped rooftop sundeck with a variety of seating, grilling stations, and a shaded area with views of the lake and the Chicago skyline. The building has a lobby-level fitness room with free weights and cardio equipment. There's a bike storage area and an easy-to-navigate on-site garage. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.